With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Discharging of lead storage acid battery following reaction is taking place. If 2.5 ampere of current is drawn from 965 minutes, H2SO4 consumed is. So we have to find the weight of your H2SO4 it is consumed, and in the question we have to find the moles. So here if you see at anode there is loss of electron, and loss of electron process it is considered as to be oxidation. So here loss of electron, here your Pb solid react with your sulfate and liberated PbSO4 and your 2 electrons. So there is loss of electron, that is happens on anode at your discharging time. Then at cathode there is gain of electron that happens on your reduction. That process it is known as your reduction. So what has happened over here, that PbO2 except for H plus and your sulfate and 2 electron over here, it gives PbSO4 plus 2H2O. Now this is the reaction at cathode and anode. Now we have to find the weight that is given by Faraday's law, that is Z upon IT. Z it can be calculated by equivalent weight divided by your n factor, and here it is F, that is 96500. This is equal to your F, that is your Faraday constant. Now if you see it over here, that your equivalent weight which is equal to your molar mass divided by your n factor. Here it is not n factor, this is equivalent weight upon F. Here this is molar mass upon n factor. So your molar mass of, here we are having in the final reaction, here we haven't read this final reaction, it is Pb plus PbO2 plus, we are having this 4H plus. So what it gives? It gives you 2 H2SO4 that is present over here. Then it gives you here 2, they will get at PbSO4 and we are having 2 H2O. This will get cancelled out. Here if you see this 4H plus, that is 2 into 2, that is 4, and here are 2 sulfate, that is 2 H2SO4. Now if you see it over here, that molar mass of your H2SO4 that is 98, here we are having 2, so into 2, n factor, that the n factor here it is 2 electrons, so it is 2. So this has been calculated. Equivalent weight it is equivalent weight, that is 98. So here your Z it comes out to be 98 upon 96500. Now if you solve it over here, we are having Z, that is 98 upon 96500. I, that is current given in the question, that is 2.5 ampere, and time, that is 965, it is 4 minute, and for second it is, we know, into 60. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate our weight, which is, if you solve it, it comes here, it is 10, it has been cancelled from here, it is 98 into 2.5 into 6 upon 100, here it is 25 only. So it can be calculated, your weight, it comes out to be, that it comes out to be 147 gram. Now we know your number of moles, which is equal to your given mass upon molar mass. So we have calculated our given mass, that is 147, molar mass of H2SO4 that is 98. So your number of mole, if you calculate this, it will comes out to be, it is 147 divided by 98, it is equal to your 1.5 mole. It is 1.5. Here it is mole. This is MOL, mole. This is your mole. So we get to know that number of mole of H2SO4 that is required, that has been consumed, that is 1.50. That is C option will be your right Answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.